Hello everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and it is Tuesday night. It is about 7:15 Central Time. So, if you're catching me live, you'll see the little red light up there that says live. If that's not on, then you're probably catching a replay. So, let's get started. I bought this little pallet board from Walmart. I think it was like $5, $4.97, $4.96, something like that. It was this color. So, and if I had known that it was going to dry as quickly as it did, I would have waited to paint it with y'all. But I didn't know how fast it was going to dry, so I went ahead and did this last night. But I took some brown paint, put it in a, hey Katrina, how are you, my sweet friend? I took some brown paint and I just put it on some paper, and I sprayed my water bottle. I sprayed the pallets, and then I sprayed some water in the brown paint. And then and it kind of looks like it's lightly stained, but that's just brown paint. So, I just didn't want it to be a solid dark board. So, here's what we're making. We got 2 socks. And they're kind of a cream color. And I'll tell you what I did. I got me a bowl, and I dumped some warm water just out of the spigot, and put some instant coffee in there, and I coffee stained my socks. These are just dollar socks from the Dollar Tree. So, what we're gonna do is, I guess this size will be good. We're going to make a little sign, and it is going to be so cute. So, let's see here. I saw this. Somebody else had made it, and I'm going to do a little bit different on mine. But take the socks, and we're going to pull them up right here, make it look like he's got some feet. And this is going to be a laundry sign or laundry room sign, but I've got some letters here, and we're going to put wash day. Okay, so I'm going to get my other scissors. That's my good scissors. Okay, so we're going to tie these off, make him look like he's got some socks. And Friday night, I've already started getting together what we're going to make Friday night, and it's going to have a hoop, embroidery hoop involved. So y'all don't want to miss it. You might want to guess what that one's going to be. I'm just going to tie these in a double knot. You wouldn't have to. All right. And this is something that's cute and it's fast. And there's my sweet friend Diane. So, we're going to lay the socks over like this and put our let's see, make sure I got him. And you could make an Easter bunny out of this, I guess, but this is going to be anytime, all year round. It's not going to be an Easter plaque for me. Okay. It's going to be quick. It's going to be simple. Anybody can do this. And your to coffee stain your socks. Oh, I sit on my feet and they go to sleep. Once I dipped them in the coffee water, I just wring them out real good and I went and throw them in the dryer. And that's all you do. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put some hot glue down here. Pull this back and I'm going to glue this one down. And I'm just overlapping it and just folding that the heel of that one in just so it kind of looks like straight. I saw this and I said, that is so cute. And we're going to make some Easter stuff, but I wanted to make some everyday stuff too, because everybody doesn't decorate for Easter. I don't do a whole lot, but I never did get anything decorated for Valentine's. But hey Susan, my sweet friend, sprinkle for you, beautiful. Have to watch replay. Gotta get on Zoom call. Okay, Susan. Thank you, dear. I appreciate it. Appreciate it so much. Okay. We're going to put a little bit in there. But anyway, I did not get nothing decorated for Valentine's. So I said I might get something decorated for Easter. Not a promise, but maybe. I did get some Easter decor last year after the fact at Hobby Lobby for 90% off. So, I mean, I've got that I could put out. But, okay. This is what it's looking like. Now we're going to take this. I'm going to pull it because that's got a little bit of green paint on it. Don't know how that happened. Okay. So I'm just going to bring it around right here. Put a little glue there. And everybody may not like farmhouse decor, but this could be for anybody. You can make this for a gift if somebody had a new home or anything like that. And the board is like, what, $5 something at Walmart. Didn't get that one short enough. The socks, and then you got 3 buttons. And Dollar Tree now has twine. So, hi to you and everyone from Pennsylvania. Oh, welcome. You're from Pennsylvania. We're in Mississippi. We're way down here in the south. Y'all got a lot of snow up there. We had an ice storm last week, and I'm over that. Y'all can have that cold stuff that falls. We got ice and we can't handle that kind of stuff. So y'all are up there with all the deep snow. I like it. I like snow for a day and let it warm up and go away. But we had ice. We didn't get no fun snow. Okay, I'm going to cut up a little piece of this homespun. And make him like a little patch. And just the little details make it look so cute. I'll have this word spelled all backwards if I don't turn it this way. Y'all see how quick it was? And it didn't take me but 5 minutes to paint the board. And if you're just jumping on, I painted it with some brown paint and just sprayed water in the brown paint. And I sprayed water with my little water bottle on the wood. So it wouldn't be just like a solid color paint. I wanted it to look kind of thin and kind of like rustic. I didn't want it the covered look of something painted, so it kind of looks like a stain. And I ain't gonna put these all straight and stuff. They gonna look like they about half crooked anyway, so. But it's gonna say wash day. I think that was, no, that's that way. You can line them up. You can make them at an angle. Mine's gonna look like it got lost in the washing machine, I guess. I think it's so cute. I think it's so cute. So, how is everybody's week going? I say Tuesday is Monday's ugly sister. That's what I say. I message people at work, emailing them and stuff. That's what I tell them. It's Monday's ugly sister, y'all. Of course, Wednesday's hump day. Y'all, I just think this is so cute. We need cardboard and embroidery hoop for Friday night's craft. I was sitting here playing with it before I came on live. So, and y'all, hot glue sticks wood. Now look how quick that was. Isn't that cute? Give me some thumbs up if y'all like it. Isn't that cute? And so if you wanted it to be a picture frame, you wouldn't have to put the wash day up there. You could even put laundry or whatever. But if you wanted to make a picture frame, you love it, Katrina. Thank you. You could get a little round picture frame and put right here, and you could put the face picture of your children in the little round frame and glue it right there. You could even get a taller board if you wanted to. But that is an idea to get a picture of your children and get a little round frame and put right there. And it would be a picture frame, and you can hang them in your hallway or, you know, anywhere in your house, in the kids' room or wherever that you want to put your pictures. But that's an idea too, and I forgot to get a little frame out. That is so cute. Thank you, Miss Robin, my sweet friend. How are you? But that was simple. I mean, besides, you just coffee stain your socks, and that's the thing that takes the longest, because you dip them, wring them out, and throw them in the dryer, get them dry, and that's the thing that takes the longest. You paint your board and put them on there. I just think it's cute. And I do like the idea of putting a little round picture frame for the little head and putting a picture of your children, their face in there, and you could even put their name. You might have to get a little smaller sock, but you could put their name on the sides or anything like that. So it was just a quick, simple, cute little idea. And I tell you what, because you buy the thing from Walmart, you can buy these and you can take this off and move it up here if you wanted to. But you can take a piece of twine. Am I still in here? sprinkle for Rachel. Thank you, Miss Robin. Appreciate it. We'll put a piece of twine. Ooh, that's hot. Right here and here. And get my hair out of it. And then, as soon as that dries, you can hang it up just like that. And there you go. So, well, if you want to make a craft with me Friday night, you're going to need an embroidery hoop. You're going to need some cardboard. You'll need some twine, some raffia, probably some material, and some cotton balls. And we're going to do something cute Friday night. So, I appreciate everybody watching, sprinkling the video. That means posting it on your page or posting it with your friends. It helps me out. So, thank y'all, and I will see y'all Friday night. And this did not take very long. It's over and done with. I'm just shocked at how quick it was. But thank y'all for the hearts. Thank you, thank you. If you're making crafts, make sure you go and join the Rachel's Unique crafting page, and you can share your crafts that you make over there. I thank y'all, and I will see y'all Friday night at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. So, until then, I'll see y'all around. Thank y'all. Have a good night. Bye-bye.